Alright, quick video here on the PCV valve replacement on a 2021 plus Acura TLX 2.0 turbo engine. So basically all you do, pop your hood, pop this cover off. There are basically just 4 of these pins with a rubber piece. You just pull it off. There's no nuts or bolts or anything like that. Alright, then the next thing you do, that's the PCV valve right there. So you're trying to get to that, and really it's a little bit longer piece than what you have room for here. So I took out these 2 bolts out of this like wiring harness mount, and it gives some room for play. Alright, and then you take out this bolt. All of these are 10 millimeters. Take out that bolt, then you're able to just finagle that PCV valve out from sort of underneath this wiring harness. And this is what your PCV valve looks like. Oh, let me get that in focus. There you go. I took a little bit of oil and I lubed up the O-rings on my new one before sliding it back in. So that's about all there is to it.